Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested to see the process of how I decorated these, then stay tuned. Let's decorate these cupcakes today. So at first I was trying to make a pull-apart cake, which, if you know, is made up of cupcakes arranged like this or any shape of your choice, but it was not working for me today, so I thought let's just not waste time and do whatever I like. So I used 3 different star nozzles for decorating today, and I did whatever I thought might look good. I am using 3 different colors, which are red, blue and white, and just trying new and different styles of piping, meaning which I never used to do before. Now this does not look professional or might not be that aesthetic as I have seen on Instagram, but for me it's better than what I did before because I am fairly new to trying different decorating techniques in cupcakes. I never used to try different nozzles or shapes, and now when I started to see these different videos of people decorating the cakes, I am so amazed and fascinated, and I really hope to reach at least some level of professional looking cakes and cupcakes. So if you are interested in these type of cake decorating baking videos, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I know there are many flaws in my decorating techniques, but let's not compare this to professionals, and honestly, I am just a beginner for this type of decorating. And for finishing touches, I am adding some edible silver balls and some colorful sprinkles because honestly I didn't find any other type of sprinkles where I live, and I really wanted to decorate with the sprinkles and decorations which I see on other people's videos, but for now I guess it's okay. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and I hope to upload more frequently on my channel, so if you are interested, please subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.